Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. Today we are going to learn about difference between analog and digital signals. Analog and digital signals are two fundamental types of electrical signals used to transmit information in various electronic systems. We have already discussed in my previous video about specifically what is analog signal and what is digital signal. Analog signals are continuous and vary smoothly over time, while digital signals are discrete and represented by a series of discrete values. Analog and digital signals are very different in many ways. Analog signal is a continuous function, whereas digital signal is a discontinuous function. We can also say analog signals were used in many systems to reproduce or produce signals to carry information. These signals are continuous in both value and time. In the use of analog signals has declined with the arrival of digital signals. All the signals that are natural or come naturally all are analog signals. Unlike the analog signals, digital signals are not continuous, but the signals are discrete in value and time both. These signals are represented by binary numbers and consist of different voltage values. So typically speaking, these both are two signals kind of they carry the data or information. As far as analog versus digital signal is concerned, analog system features signal features continuous electric signals, whereas digital signals without continuity in the signals. Let's see in detail about the differences between analog signal and digital signals. Definition: analog signals are used to communicate information in continuous function of time. The digital signal transmits data in discrete function of time, whereas in signal values, if we see, analog signal represent the data and information using a continuous range of values, whereas digital signals use discrete values of 0 and 1 in the binary numbers. Whereas in the signal bandwidth, the bandwidth is very low in analog signal, un, un, unless regards the bandwidth is very high in the digital signals. Suitability: analog signals are better suited for transmitting audio, video, and other data via communication channels, whereas in the digital signals and are appropriate for computer, digital electronic processes, etc., such as data storage and other things. Effect of electronic noise: analog signals are easily influenced by electrical noise. Digital signals are more reliable and resistant to noise than the analog ones. Accuracy: because of the analog signals are more susceptible to noise, their accuracy is reduced because there is a continuous signals are going on. As in the digital signals are noise free, they are high accuracy. Power consumption: it requires more power to transmit data, whereas in digital signals, it utilizes the less power. Circuit components: resistors, capacitors, inductors, and other components, whereas we use in the digital signals logic gates, transistors, ICUs, integrated chips, etc. Examples of the analog signals: temperature, current voltage, voice, pressure, and speed are the examples of the analog signals, whereas digital signal examples are data storage in computer memory. Applications in the analog signals, it is used in landline phones, thermometers, radios, and other devices, whereas digital signals like used in computers, keyboards, digital watches, and other electronic devices. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you.